why not I try my face logo. Then I tried it and it came correctly, and it's very simply we can do by yourself. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you guys how to create your own face logo step by step. I took a screen recording. You would place it here. I would place it here during the editing. Now you have to go to the Picsart Make Awesome application, and then you have to give add option down below, and you have to go to pick canvas option, and you have to choose the option which is last before paper, that is 1024 something 24 into 2080, and you have to choose that S, and you have to give us add shape option, and you have to give there a circle and fill it, and give fill, and then give OK, and choose the color what you want. And I'm choosing now is orange. I'm giving that color to be I'm giving a circle. Now you have to add that circle to it, and you have to perfectly add that circle so that it should not come out at all, and you have to place it properly in middle of your image so that the picture looks great. And then you edit image and go to add photo option, and add your photo which you like most. I'm adding my photo which I took in a portrait shot so that it looks great. That's one thing I've added, and then overlay that on your circle which you made before, and give that cutout option and outline. You have to take it to the outline, and just oh my god, I did it wrongly, so I want to discard it again, and I want to do it again. So give it cutout again. I'm not going to do it again, so I'm doing it again, so sorry. You give the outline and give it properly. The outline your outline yourself or your other images, the person's image properly, outline the body properly at the top, and you have to do it properly so that you would get a great image. After you outlined it, so tap on that, just give the right top button, and you have to choose whether it is proper. I think it is perfect. So if you want, you can adjust by restoring and erasing it. So then give save option at right corner, and you should be given like this. Adjust properly what I'm doing, how I'm doing. Your face should little bit come out. That's what you want, and do it properly. Adjust it, and then you have to give top third option, that is erase. That option you have to give after you're adjusting it properly, and you have to give that adjust after you erase it, and give erase in the third option. Click on the third option, erase it, and erase it properly which areas are coming out of the boundaries of your out of the boundaries or circumference of the circle which you made before. It would take a longer process. Let's take, when I'm doing that, it takes more time, it takes more time. You have to adjust it properly so that you would get a great image at the end of the video. You have to do it properly. You have to erase it, and you have to do it again and again properly so that you would get a great image impact. I'm erasing it again, and I'm doing it again. We have to do it properly. Erase it, and then you have to restore it. You can restore it again. This takes more time. It looks perfect. It takes more time. so you have to do it properly. It takes more time. You have to be more concentrated while you're doing it. Yeah, actually this is a screen recording, and what I did, which I'm doing it again for you guys. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel, please for more videos, tech videos like this. And yeah,
so it's perfect now.
oh my god, yes. After you given that, you have to give properly. Erase it, and you can keep what size you want, how minimum you want to edit, and then after you given that, you have to give the tick button at the right corner. I'm going to adjust a little more. Yeah, I'm adjusting a little more. It takes more time, as I said before. It's a big video. Yeah, I'm adjusting it. Actually it's going to be great. Yes, you have to do it properly. It takes more time, as I said before. You have to do more concentrated with it. And yeah, let's do it. And I'm not a professional to do it properly, so yeah, that's the time what I'm taking, because I'm doing it just second time. Third time, because first time is a failure. Second time, what you are seeing as my logo, and after you given artist tick, you have to choose the option effects. Sorry, I forgot return it. I'm doing in my hand, sorry for that. And you have to choose the option 15, up to 15, amount of 15, and you erase it again. So sorry, I have left. I'm doing it again. I'm sorry. Yes, and you have to erase the outer parts of it. So yeah, you have to erase it parts away, and you can zoom it, and you can do it properly. That's more important. Erase it, after it adjust it, and then give restore option, and do it properly. After you given that, and little bit erasement is required, but it looks perfect, but little bit erase. Yeah, it looks now great. And yeah, now I want to do it again. Restore, and let me do it again. You have to do it properly, so you can pinch at the end. Okay, it's now correct. And now I want to erase it. Yes, now oh my god, I'm going to do it restore. Now I want to erase it again. I want to restore it again. I want to restore it. Yes, now restoring little bit. Yeah, it is now perfect. Yeah, no. Yes, little bit erasing. Yeah. Okay. It's perfect. Oh my god, a little bit of restore. Yeah, now it's perfect. It looks now perfect, and you can go for the tick option at the right corner. Yeah, now it is perfect, right corner, and then go for give tick again. I'm just saying tick, give right corner tick, and yeah, adjust it a little more. Now go to the tick right corner. So I'm doing it again. So, yeah, now I have to go to the draw option there. You have to go for the draw option, and you have to go for draw, and then you have to choose a circle stroke, and you have to pinch it properly so that you would get a great picture at the end. This border makes more sense. This border makes your picture sense like a logo. And you have to, oh my god, I did it wrongly. I want to discard it again. I want to do it again. So Yeah, it takes more time. So as I said, you have to have patience when you're doing creating a logo or like editing everything. You have to have patience to do, otherwise it would not come nice. So you have to discard it and you have to do it again, and then you have to come draw, and you have to do it, add circle and add shapes, and give stroke and pinch it properly, and using it adjust it properly. And you may think your face would not be proper. For that you can erase it further using erase. Oh my god, I did it wrongly again. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys, I'm doing wrongly, so sorry. But I'm doing it concentration, I did properly, but I will do it again. Yeah, it's discarding it again, and I'm drawing it again. Yeah, drawing it again, and I want to add the shapes. In that I want to add a strokes, add shapes, add stroke, and add a circle, and you have to add a circle to it. So perfectly you have to add it so that you would get a great picture, and then you have to zoom in properly.
It's very simple steps. Yeah.
And zoom in properly to,
Give a thumbs up to this video.
and then erase the parts which are going across your face, and erase it properly, and so that your image would be looks great.
Subscribe to our channel.
And
let's meet in the next video.
and right side too I'm doing. Yeah, I did it, and then yeah, now it's correct. And then after you erase it, it looks great, and it looks great right now. And yes, and then you have to give correct tick mark which is right corner, and then give to FX third option, and then go to the sketch and sketch 1, and go to the sketch 1 options, tap on that again, and adjust the horizontal line, and then give black color so that it looks great. That's it, your logo is correct. Wow, it's very nice, easy, right?